Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be testing Armorol to see if it can in fact give us cells. Armorol is used for making the interior of your car really shine, or the tires. So let's get started. I have white paint mixed here, and it's just paint, Floetrol, and water, no silicone. 6-inch canvas. These are the colors I'll be working with today: yellow, brown, pink, and blue. So my recipe, as always, is 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then I add a bit of water until the paint flows like melted ice cream. So it's the recipe same for all, and I have 1 spray of the Armorol in each color except for the white. Let's get started. And the container I'm using, it's a 2-ounce container. Wow, I can tell that the Armorol does in fact give cells, because I do see a few in my cup. I'm doing a flip cup today. I think I want to take you guys closer for the reveal. Is that close enough? Let's come up here. There we go. 1, 2, and there we go. We do get cells from Armorol. Gonna try torching it a bit. I forgot my gloves. Hi guys, I'm back with a quick recap of what we did today. So it's been about 10 minutes since I did this pour, and as you can see, more cells have developed since. And this quick squiggly line that I did, that's called a ribbon pour. I did that because this area was a bit too plain, so I added some bit of interest in there. So we got some cells with Armorol, and that's used to detail cars, the inside and the tires as well. Those are the colors that we used today, and this is my result on a 6x6-inch canvas. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.